Hello, my crafty friends. Welcome to the final stage of the 12 Days of Christmas craft series for 2019. My name is Robyn Pitts with Sir Chauncey Rocco Creative Designs, and I am very excited to finally announce the winner for this fun Christmas series. First, I'd like to thank our wonderful hostess, Miss Rosa Kelly from Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking, as well as our wonderful designers, Miss Kimmy Murray from Salty Beach Scrapper, Melinda Antirian from The Cali Crafter, Elizabeth Garza from Caffeinated Crafting with Lily, and finally, Debbie Adams with Creative Life. I especially want to thank all of you, my amazing new and existing subscribers. As many of you know, I host and participate in several collaborations and hops. However, this Christmas I had to deal with several family health issues, which really took a lot of time away from crafting. So I appreciate you hanging in there and also for sending such encouraging and supportive messages. So I appreciate your prayers and your well wishes. Thank you so much. It really means a lot to me. My channel giveaway is a $25 gift card to JS Hobbies and Crafts. If you haven't had a chance to visit their site, please do so. They are one-stop shopping for all of your crafting needs. To select the winner, I used YouTube Random Comment Picker, and the winner is dun da da da. Congratulations to Migdalia Rodriguez. Migdalia said, I love the beautiful paper pad as much as I love your gorgeous box. Love the pretty bow too. Merry Christmas, Sir Chauncey Rocco. Oh, congratulations once again, Migdalia. Please contact me within the next 72 hours to claim your prize. You will find my contact details in the description box. I look forward to hearing from you soon. Thank you so much for watching and joining me in this fun Christmas crafting journey. I really appreciated all of your comments and your well wishes. Please join me in 2020 for more fun projects and tutorials, giveaways, and hops. I want to wish you and your family a very happy holiday and a wonderful and prosperous new year. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon. Bye for now, and happy crafting.